Hey Achiever fam! Nowadays, Shilajit is available as a nutritional supplement, but unfortunately, its reputation for enhancing body balance is misused. Too many marketers and manufacturers lack an understanding of its genuine nature. Only some people understand how to make full use of Shilajit. And those who saw our previous video about the best Shilajit form know it. And in this video, we'll go a step further. We're revealing a more potent form of Shilajit. In today's video, we'll answer, what is pure Himalayan Shilajit resin? The shocking benefits, side effects, and dangers revealed. So, let's get started. First, let's understand the difference between Shilajit and pure Himalayan Shilajit. Actually, Shilajit is found in many mountain ranges of the world, at altitudes between 1,000 and 5,000 meters, namely in the Himalayas, the Tibet Mountains, the Altai Mountain of Central Asia, and the Caucasus Mountains in Europe. But the pure Himalayan Shilajit is obviously the one that is specially sourced from the Himalayas and shows specific characteristics that will be revealed later in this video. Shilajit has widespread use in current alternative medicine. It was used as a panacea by many ancient societies. It's also widely used as an additive in food processing. But hold up, not all Shilajit is created equal. Some are amazing. Others are useless. So how do you score the good stuff? Fortunately, there are some smart techniques to spot the original Shilajit from fake ones simply by looking at them. Pure Himalayan Shilajit sourced from higher altitudes in the Himalayan highlands is powerful and rich in nutrients. Also, Himalayan Shilajit resin is easy to consume. The pure Himalayan Shilajit in resin form is like a black slime. It remains stable even in severe temperatures. When frozen for many hours, it can be rolled or molded as needed. And if you want to check the authenticity, you gotta check with a simple water test. Because the pure Himalayan Shilajit dissolves almost entirely in water. When dissolved in water, an authentic Shilajit resin leaves no lumps or residue. Remember, real Shilajit disappears in water, leaving nothing behind but pure awesomeness. Those who saw the last video know that Shilajit is only potent in resin form, and the same stands for Himalayan Shilajit. The supplements marketed in powdered, tablet, or pill form have very little Shilajit. Comment down if you've consumed Shilajit in any form and tell us your experience. Listen up, while pure Himalayan Shilajit is usually okay, sticking to the recommended dose is super important. And the recommended dosage for Himalayan Shilajit resin is around 300 to 500 milligrams a day. Going overboard can lead to unwanted side effects. And here's the lowdown on potential downsides. Belly trouble. Pure Shilajit can cause stomach upset, nausea, and even diarrhea, especially on an empty stomach. Chow down before taking it to minimize these issues. Racing hearts. If you have any heart conditions, be aware that Shilajit might increase your heart rate. Allergic reactions. Some folks are allergic to Shilajit. If you experience hives, swelling, or trouble breathing, stop taking it immediately and seek medical help. Heavy metal. Watch out for products contaminated with heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and mercury. Buy from reputable sources that test their Shilajit for purity. So that's it for today. See you in another video.